episode today. So I thought I'll make another video how to make your own food. So anyway, I already have the textures. I'll just pull that there. So I already have the textures. So it's called Gorok meat. Wait, I'll just close that and open with .NET. So this is the texture for it, and so let's get into it. So this is gonna be a little bit easy. I already wrote the code. I'll just explain it to you all. I'll just remove it. I'll type it. I think typing is much easier. So anyway, let's just close that. I'll just keep it like this, I think. Okay. So I'll throw this out. I'll remove this entire thing. And I'll remove this. There might be an error, but let's just go here. I'll just remember this. Okay, I'll just copy this because this will be a little bit hard. Let's see, and I'll put it in the proxy. Just go down and that down and come here. Delete that part and save. So I'll just delete that, and I'll be back once I finish arranging. So I'm back, guys. So anyway, let's get into it. Now, you just go here. You have to implement it. So public static item. Let's call it Goroko meat. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just calling Goroko meat. So anyway, we started that, and now come here and right here, Goroko meat equals new. You can put whatever class you want, so I'm going to put Goroko meat food and put bracket dot set unlocalize name bracket, and what's the texture's name? Goroko meat. You can put whatever your texture's name is. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm going to make a class called Goroko meat food. So when you come here, just write extends item food, and then you have to import it, and there'll be an error here, and add constructor for Goroko meat int float boolean here. I'm taking this out, and you have to change this. I'm just making it a bit fast. So first is ID, then part 2 is hunger, part 3 is saturation. I think that's no, saturation. Okay, saturation, and last wolf food. I always make this. Okay, so now change this. I'll just explain what is saturation after I do this. Then saturation, and then wolf food. So I'll just save. There might be an error here because we didn't add the ID and all that. So saturation means let's say like the time limit, I think, of eating, like how long the food will last after you eat it. Like when it heals 4 bars, just say it how long will it take again to be for you to gain to be hungry. So like I just say, for example, I eat the meat, and in 5 minutes again I'm hungry. So it's that. So the saturation means that. So now I come here. Sorry about that. And put side only. Bracket side dot client, just to keep it bracket, and then go down. There might be an error, but public void icon registry, icon register, I think it is icon register registry. Let me just see the code. I'll type it, I'm not gonna copy and paste. Icon, oh, okay, I forgot to put at. That's what I was thinking. So import that, public void register, icon register, registry, or register. Let's see, icon register. One icon register or registry. Let's see. Okay. So then curly brackets go down. If you import, I'll change it. Okay, you change it. I made a mistake there. So now you add this dot item icon equals var1 icon register then dot icon register icon, and this, the s is a string, so I have to add the Goroko, the texture's name. So if you're gonna add right after I add that, now I'll just show you something. Now let me go for my Modding Forged file, and if you wanted to add something like let's go pins Minecraft, and you want to put your food separate, then you make a new folder. I'll show you. A new folder and put it new. Let's call it rename it mod food. I'm going to call it. You can call it whatever you want. Put the Goroko meat inside that. Copy. You go back to this and drag that mod thing here. Okay, and it will be here mod food. Go back and you put here forward slash. Put another slash and put mod food. So you can put here .png if you want. So I'm going to put .png. Okay, so I'm going to copy that entire thing. It's actually my first time trying it, but I think it'll work, because when I did with my other mod, when I did the mob, I had to make a separate folder and stuff. Let's just hope it works. And I'll show you how to add in this video potion effects. So anyway, the building workspace done. Then I'm going to be right here. The first is ID. So 253. Comma. The hunger. So anyway, in the hunger bar there is half 2. So 1 is half, 2 is full. So there's 10 hunger icons, but the value is 20 because 1 is half, so 2 is full. So 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. So I'm gonna put it as no, don't put it to 100. I'm gonna put it as 8. Then because the saturation is a float, you have to put it as 1.0 f. Then the wolf meat, the wolf food means, does the wolf like it? Because this is meat. Yes, true. And it's done. So let's all the errors must be gone. Play it, and let's hope it works for the texture, because that's my first time doing something different. I never tried that code. So anyway, let's see code work. I'm gonna delete that and put creative modding. Okay, let's create So anyway, it will be taking time, and now it's done. Now you will see. Okay, so we didn't get it. Wait, let's go back and see if there's any problem. Let me see. Mod food. Gorokumi.png. So I think you have to remove that. Remove this. Remove even that. It doesn't work. Oh no, it doesn't work. I think. So I'm going to go back. So guys, I accidentally paused it. So I'm going to go back here. Go to Minecraft, and I have to delete that folder. Delete, and just put back your texture inside the textures folder items. And I've already, I think I put it. Wait, let's go for G and see. Okay, my one is here, and I have to keep it there. Now just go back. I don't know what's happening. So anyway, now just click play. It'll be building the workspace, so we'll wait till it finishes, and we'll continue our quest of modding. So I know I told you I'll be making the tools or whatever. I don't remember what I told you in the last video, but like I just now found out how to add food, so I thought, okay, why don't I just add it to my modding tutorials. So I thought today I'll do it. So let's just go and check if the textures are working. It has to be working. Food. Okay, I don't know what, but let's just go back. Gorokomi.png. Oh, remove the PNG. I think you don't need the PNG because I never added the PNG. Remove the PNG. It worked before putting the PNG. Let's add here. Let's go back and language, registry dot add name Goroko meat, and there won't be an error. I'll use the name again. Goroko meat. So keep space and done. So we're gonna add now a crafting recipe. Yeah. So let's just go. No, it's not here. My crafting recipes are in codes. Okay, so this one. And for this, I'll be doing the crafting recipes for the sword too. So why don't we keep it separate? So I'm going to put a comment here saying this is for importing names for items fully, because you don't have blocks. And up here we put comment and put crafting. Crafting. I don't know. What's that one? Crafting with. No. I don't know what I'm typing. Crafting for items. For blocks and items. Let's call it blocks and items. Okay, so just paste it. So it should be done. Now we have to close this and put Goroko meat. So you asked how to make it, so I'll show you. Go back here. Item steak, no, beef, cooked beef, and we're not gonna put a stick, we're gonna put I don't know what to add. Red apples for now, so I'm gonna change this one for B and this one for A, and we'll take that, so 1, 2, 3, no, that's B space B there. This is the up, sorry. Space A space, then for the down layer B space B, then down the third row space A space. So save it, and now let's go and see if the thing has finished. So let it load. May take time to load the case over here and log in. Hope they got the textures. Okay, let's see. Oh yes, we got it. Yes, we got it. So I'll just show you something. Now what way we gonna do our crafting? So let's take crafting. Get cooked beef. That's steak, by the way, and apples. So beef, and we get Goropo meat. How's that cool? Now game mode S, and let's get tired. Okay, let's get tired. I'm not gonna pause the video and get tired. I'll just show you all that that works and all that. I know I can pause it and then after I'll go and eat it, but no, I'm just gonna show it on camera. That give me away. So anyway, let's get walking. So let's get tired. As I noticed that whenever we go to the deserts, we get tired because the temperature there in the desert is hot, really hot, and so you get tired because of that. So if you want to show anything, like if y'all are doing a modding tutorial and you want to show, I think you should go to the desert, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, so now I'm hungry, so I'm eating it, and you saw, I hope you saw it got full and it worked. Okay, so let's just save that. Now I'm going to show you how to add effects. So if you see another video, they might have put somewhere here, but don't put there. I'm telling you, there'll be a huge error. So put your dot set, find set potion effect. Here it's just here, and then close that and put potions dot not potion, not potions, potion, and find for whatever you want. So for this I'm gonna put jumping ability, just jumping ability, and then you have to put dot ID, then you have to put the how long does it last, 100, and then 0, and so 0F I think. I think. Let me just go. If you're not sure, just go to items here and search for golden apple. Golden apple is here. So it is the ID. Oh wait, I found out something else. Potion effect. So the potion ID, the duration, the amplifier if it's a something. Okay, this is the duration. That means that I put 100 seconds, and I put 0 because I don't know what does this do. Is it a splash potion? Nope, it's not a splash potion. So I'm gonna put it as 0.5 and save it and run. So now the potion effect might work. So let's just wait. And I was thinking, from the next time, I'm not gonna keep on pressing the play button. I'm gonna click the debug button, because then if there was an error, I don't need to close Minecraft and that stuff to change the thing. So let's get getting tired. I'll be back once I get tired. Wait, just keep like that, keep like that. My recorder. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I found out something cool about the saturation. As I told you, saturation is like points, and it takes a long time. How long? So because I put it for 8, it took so long for me to get hungry, and I had to make a new account. A new world. It took so long. I think 8 means 8 seconds. 8 minutes. So if you don't want that long to get hungry, I think you gotta put to at least 2 minutes. That I think 8 means 2 minutes, so that's good. Sorry, I don't know what I'm talking here. 8 means. See, I told you when I'm in the desert, I already lost 2. See, the hunger thing goes fast in the desert, as I told you. You can see if you are absorbing properly. Not absorbing. Observing. So anyway, I have to show you the potion effect. See, I just ate, and why didn't it work? I ate. Okay, let me just see. Let me go back. I think I'll just copy this whole thing. C. And put it 3. And I'm not gonna put 5 seconds, 100 seconds, and keep that to how much it is, and put it as debug line. So let it load. So it'll take some time. Okay, so let's delete, and I'm gonna make it creative and create. I think I'm gonna make the next video how to make your tools and a creative tab. I'm thinking of making 2 stuff in one video, like a block and a potion or something like that in one video, so it'll be easy for you. And if you're guessing why am I not going for 1.6.2, because already I know so many famous YouTubers who do modding tutorials have updated to 1.6.2. It was difficult for me to learn because they kept on updating, and I didn't want to update. I wanted to do final version on that and stuff. So I thought, why don't I make for the everything for 1.5.2, like basic stuff like tools, biomes, blocks, food, and gems and O's and stuff. So anyway, let me just without wasting time, get that. Now I'm in the desert. Game mode F. Okay, so let's just go to the desert. It's so hot here. I can't find land. Just joking. So let's just walk and walk. get hungry, I'll get damaged here. I mean, get hurt. La, 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 la. I'm having a nice massage in the cactus. Yeah, now my face is red because there were needles in it. Okay, so let's... I know this video is taking so long. Okay, so anyway, let's just get hungry. And you guys out there, if you are wondering how I put custom thumbnails and you can't do it when you upload your videos, because there's a problem with my YouTube, is when I made my other account, they didn't allow me to put a custom thumbnail because they said I need at least 50 subscribers plus 100 views for each video, so then a custom thing happens. But then I had already 700 views and 11 subscribers, but still it didn't work. And then I made this account, and this account, like when I made it, it said verify account. I verified it, and then they said I can only upload 15-minute videos, and they said if I wanted to make it unlimited I have to again verify for something else. And when I verified it, they said you've been verified as a YouTuber, and then I was able to do whatever I wanted with custom thumbnails. So let's eat. I was talking. Okay, so it's jump boost 1 minute and 40 seconds, I think 100. So jump boost is, if you all don't know, it jumps 2 blocks high. See, like see, jump higher than the normal. See, like if you run, you can jump high when you run. Like I'll just show you. Like I run fast and if you see, I jump higher than normal. Like, see this? I'm jumping high, 2 blocks high. So that's good, you know. Okay, so anyway, I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe. The codes will be below. No, I'm not gonna put the codes today for this video because I typed the entire thing. And if you all want the codes, please put in the comments below, and the person who comments first, I will give them the codes through the comment. So I hope you like the video. See you next time. And so I'm using EasyVid recorder, and if you all know any good recorders except from Camtasia and Microsoft Express Encoder, please tell me, because I used those too and it didn't work. Perhaps I tried to use it, I don't know how to use it. So anyway, because this is much easier, I think, for me, I can write whatever I want. See you next time. Okay, so I just showed the face. So see you next time.